Good day. Welcome. I'm Stephen Elliott from E3 Toronto, and we've created a win-win situation. For you see, we're offering a workshop called Think Fast, Speak Eloquently. It takes place on Tuesday evening, that's August 18th, or if you prefer a daytime time, then it will be taking place on Wednesday, August 19th. But in both cases, all you will need to attend this wonderful event is to make a donation to the Mississauga Food Bank. E3 Toronto is a community-based business, and we love giving back to our communities. So there's the win-win. You come to a highly interactive workshop where you'll get tips and learn techniques that you can use to think quicker on your feet, whether it be at a job interview or at a networking event. And while you're getting your brain filled, you'll be helping to fill the Mississauga Food Bank, whose shelves are a little bit light given all the challenges that COVID has thrown at us. Our most vulnerable citizens are also experiencing the pinch a little bit more. So be a part of this win-win. Come and learn how to think fast and speak eloquently. And while you're doing that, know that your money is going to help a great cause. It's a win-win from E3 Toronto. I hope to see you at either of the workshops. As always, keep on smiling. We'll talk again soon.